Thatching is an ancient roofing method that has been used both in tropical and temperate climates. Dry vegetation like grasses, leaves, straw, and reeds are used in a layered manner to make a waterproof insulated beautiful roof. How long it lasts depends on the skill of the thatcher and quality of the material used. They can last from 5 years to 50 years with good maintenance. A slope of 45 degrees or more is always advised. But just like we find it attractive, so do the mice and squirrels, which can be an issue if left unchecked. And if you are not scared of spiders, they coexist quite peacefully. So, let's learn how to thatch with wild grass and bamboo. We use a simple sickle or darati to split the bamboo, first into halves and then into quarters. While there are special bamboo splitting tools available, we prefer to use no specialized tools and will show here how simple it can be once you learn how to. Once quartered, the inner nodes of the bamboo strip are removed as well. For further splitting into thinner strips, that is 1 bamboo into 8, we will start the split with the pointed side of the sickle and then push the entire length through a rod on the ground. Just takes a little practice. With the strips ready, let's move to the long grass harvested from the roadsides, locally called pula. Wet it before chopping the ends with the same sickle. That way it stays intact and neat. Make thick bunches to fit between your thumb and forefinger of both hands. To be able to show the thatching process clearly, we have made a simple bamboo frame here. Spread the prepared grass bunch starting out from the bottom and secure it with one of the bamboo strips we made earlier. Watch closely for this neat trick of how we tie the rope knot. We are using thin rope here, but you could use wires if in a high rainfall zone. Once the bottom layer is done, we move upwards to the next layer. For an even, non-stepped look, spread the edge gently while laying. Believe it or not, we actually use slippers or flip-flops for this. In reality, when thatching on the rooftop, someone is needed below as well to pass on the string or wire and help with the tying of the grass to the bamboo strips. We simply make our own long bamboo eyelet needle for this. Or you could make one of iron too. And you can see how it goes on like clockwork. Different regions across the world vary in their thatching process, materials and tools. But what remains constant is its storybook fairy tale look.